Welcome to Thermodynamics lab. The total area of this lab is 101 square meter and the total investment of this lab is nearly 2.4 lakhs. Welcome to this lab. This lab consists of various equipments which are related to IC engines. As you know, internal combustion engines are there for which we need different systems like fuel supply system. Also there are instruments which are related for measuring calorific value. The name of this device is bomb calorimeter, which is used to measure calorific value of a solid fuel. Then also we can measure flash point and pour point. At the same time, there is equipment which is used to measure coefficient of performance of heat pump and refrigeration. Let us go over there and explore the setup. As Albert Einstein said, an ounce of practical is better than tons of theory. So let us explore the concept experientially. Name of this device is heat pump test rig. As all of you know, in Western countries, in European countries, heat pump is a device which is used to increase the temperature of air. There are two effects. The name of this subject is thermodynamics. Basically, thermo means heat and dynamics means in motion. So basically we deal with first law of thermodynamics. In first law of thermodynamics, we say that it is law of conservation of energy, which says that energy can be converted from one form to the other form. In this experiment, we will produce both cooling effect as well as heating effect. The name of this device is evaporator, in which the refrigerator extracts heat from the space, due to which cooling effect is produced. The name of this box is condenser, where refrigerant rejects the same heat, due to which temperature of the object increases. So heating effect is produced inside the condenser and cooling effect is produced inside the evaporator. Basically this works on vapor compression cycle, which consists of evaporator, compressor, condenser and expansion device. Name of this device is expansion device. This unit is called as flow meter. As the name itself indicates, flow meter. Meter means measuring. It is used to measure the flow. Now, using this energy meter, if I switch on the compressor, whatever is the energy input which is given to compressor, that will be measured. And using the formula mCp delta T, when it is applied to evaporator, I can measure the cooling effect. When the same formula mCp delta T is applied to condenser, I can measure the heating effect. What will be m? Mass flow rate of the liquid, which I can measure using this mass flow meter, right? What is Cp? Specific heat of water, which is 4.187. What is delta T? Before temperature and after temperature. So we can measure the cooling effect as well as heating effect. Now there is a concept called as coefficient of performance, which is the ratio of desired effect to input. Now desired effect in case of heat pump will be heating effect, right? So mCp delta T, when the formula is applied to condenser, it gives us heating effect. So when we will divide that heating effect by work input to the compressor, we can predict coefficient of performance of the heat pump. On the similar lines, also we can predict coefficient of performance of a refrigerator, right? So this will give us Q1, this will give us Q2 and this will give us W2, right? And the coefficient of performance of heat pump will be Q1 upon W, right? And coefficient of performance of a refrigerator will be Q2 upon W. Is it clear to all of you?